All right, unemployment line on Smuggler. Whoa. So poppy. Holy moly. Oh, I hit the same bump. Bottomed that out there. Bottoming out quite a bit because I'm casing a lot, but pretty fun bike, I will admit. Oh, I missed it. Nice. Wow, it's pretty fun. I don't think anyone's behind me, so we'll just keep going. Kind of hard trail to test the bikes on because I'm not very good at jumping in general. So it's kind of like I'd rather see how it does on like a tech trail, but the shuttle system is not super dialed here right now. Nice. Yeah, the shuttle system is not super dialed. It took forever to actually get a demo bike. That's the second one, and then yeah, you gotta wait for the shuttle. So pretty fun to try out different bikes. This will be the second demo on the Smuggler, and then I think I want to hit just Atomic Dog again, do basically the same trails as before. Atomic Dog. Oh, big case. Ooh, missed that rock there.
Hey everyone, so behind the scenes microphone Corbin coming in to talk about demo number 2 out at the Northwest Tune-Up, which is on the Transition Smuggler. So this was not on my radar as a bike I wanted to demo. The only reason I'm on it now in this video is because at the time I was looking for a demo bike, this was the only one in the entire demo fleet of all of the bike companies out there that was in a size large or even a size medium at the time that I was looking for a bike. So all of the other bikes were out on the trails getting demoed, which was fun, but again, it was just kind of frustrating trying to find an actual bike you wanted to demo. Regardless, it really helped for me to kind of understand if I wanted a size large, because that was the whole point of me testing the bikes anyway. But my thoughts for the Transition Smuggler is it's a proper trail bike, full 29er, 140 travel in the front, 130 out back, and that makes it incredibly fun on trails like Unemployment Line and Atomic Dog. I could imagine myself pedaling this bike all around and not, getting as tired because of just the travel, the geo, things like that. But as soon as it kind of gets into like harder single black, double black trails that are a little bit more hard hitting, got some big drops, things like that, I'm going to want more travel. So I'm not going to be considering the Smuggler in the future, but at the time it was kind of my saving grace to just demo something and get out on the trails. So, and to get the most out of the Northwest Tune-Up passes does require exercising the demo. Like, it's a sweet idea if it's exercised well. So here's some on the trail thought process of the whole situation.
The issue is the shuttle line is crazy long. I think I waited in line for 30 minutes, and then the demos go out like real quick. Like, if you're not here at 8:30, you may not get a demo for the first rush. And then I thought people would return them around lunchtime, but they really did not, because there's not like a set time limit you can have them out here. So you got to kind of battle if you're not here first come first serve, you're battling trying to just find a demo, let alone wait for the one you want. And then once you do get the demo, then you got to wait for the shuttles. So I was talking to a guy, and they said last year the demo tents were on Galbraith, but the problem with that is the vendors were struggling to like allocate resources to two different tents, one at the festival and one for demo. So they decided to move it all to the venue, which helps the vendors and organization and stuff, but I think it kind of hurts the let's do this a little up and over. It hurts the consumers, but still fun time. I'll maybe try and get one more demo in on Sunday. Otherwise, let's get back to some festival activities.